Greetings, music makers. Many of you have been asking me about how to get Quaver bucks. Quaver bucks can be used to customize your avatar and your music room when the music room reopens. Right now it's getting a remodel. The first thing you will want to do is start in Schoology. Find your folder for the week that we are working in after you have clicked on your music course. So we will click this folder and click the link to get to quavermusic.com. If you have not yet created your account, feel free to go back into Schoology and re-watch the directions on how to do that. You'll want to enter the username and password that you have created for your account. Your class code is not required for login. Once you are in your account, it should take you straight to your student dashboard. Click on Enter a Code. We have 2 codes that will give each student 100 coins each. The first code is Back to School 20. Be sure to use the correct capital letters where indicated. These codes are in your Schoology. It's really simple to copy and paste. Our next code is Wash Our Hands. These codes are distributed by Quaver. It is not something that Miss Leegee creates. So when Miss Leegee does receive a new code, I will let you know. From there, go to Quaver Street. You can now click on your avatar. And let's say we want to purchase an instrument for our avatar. And I like the French horn because that's what I play. You can see that it costs 25 Quaver bucks. Click the instrument you would like to have, and it will show you how much you have, how much it costs, and what you have left. From there, click Buy. Then hit OK. Remember to be patient with our student accounts. Be sure to hit that Save button. And you are all set. If you have any further questions about Quaver bucks, feel free to email Miss Leegee or reach out on Schoology.